Hello everyone here and welcome to my channel Graphic for You. Today I'm going to show you how to create a liquid CC ball action on image like this in After Effects. It's very easy and let's get started. First I'll create new composition. I'll make it full HD, frame rate 30 and duration 10 seconds, then hit OK. Then I'll go to tools and I'll choose rectangle tool and I'll add a mask like this. Go to effects and presets and I'll type fractal noise, double click or drag and drop. Then I'll go to contrast. I'll change contrast to 250. Also brightness, I'll change it to 6 or 5. It's okay. Allow HDR, I'll change it to raw back, and also complexity, I'll change it to 1. Then I'll go to transform and uncheck uniform scaling. Scale width, I'll increase it to 250, and scale height, I'll change it to 1, like this. Okay, now make sure that you are on the first frame, keyframe on offset turbulence. Then go to last frame and I'll move exposition like this. Okay, now I'll go to effect and blur and sharpen and I'll choose fast box blur. Blur radius, I'll change it to 6. Okay, right click, recompose and make sure that you are on move all attributes into the new composition, then hit OK. Okay, so now I'll go to fix and presets again and I'll type CC ball action. Double click or drag and drop. I'll go to file and import my image. I'll choose this one. Drag and drop. Press S to increase it like this. And position also. Okay, now I'll go to CC ball and I'll change x-axis here to brightness. Then I'll go to twist angle and I'll increase it. First let me go to grade spacing and I'll change it to 0. Ball size, I'll change it to 60. Okay, and again twist angle, something like this, and also rotation. Okay, now I'll add a camera, hit OK. Then I'll go to tools and I'll choose track XY to move this Liquify like this. Yeah, this is maybe good. So change it something like this. Okay, now again I'll go to my shape and I'll type on fractal noise Liquify and drag and drop or double click and I'll choose here. And if you want to change size, brush size, you can increase it or decrease it from here. And I'll go to put this flow on his hand like this. And I'll make some changes here. Okay, this is good for me. Then I'll go to effect, video copilot and VC color, put it up liquid, and I'll change this color something like this. and I'll go to effects and presets and I'll type deep glow, double click or drag and drop, and also I'll put it up like this, and yeah. And see. Okay, this is our tutorial today. So if you like it, don't forget like, share, subscribe, and goodbye.